I want to explain to you a little bit about the spine. I'm a medical doctor and an attorney. I'm Dr. Joseph Ramos. Spine anatomy is critical. The reason that the spine is so easily injured starts with its curvature. In the lumbar spine, there's a nice curve to the spine, and you might see that there. That's called the lumbar lordosis. Whenever someone is involved in a motor vehicle crash, particularly rear-end impacts, the first thing that happens is the spine gets straightened. When the spine gets straightened, look what happens to the facets. They get pulled apart. There's also compressive and distraction forces. Look what happens to the discs. They often herniate. The upper thoracic spine, it's fixed to the sternum and to the mid-back. That's called the thoracic area. It's fixed by our ribs. This section doesn't move a whole lot. Then there's the upper cervical spine. We've all heard of serious neck injuries after trauma. The reason is that sitting on top of the cervical spine is our head. Weighs anywhere from 10 to 14 pounds, depending on how big you are. Imagine taking a bowling ball in your arm, swinging it and trying to stop it. That's exactly what happens to our cervical spine in a traumatic event. It gets flung backwards. The vertebral bodies compress. Then it gets flung forward, and then they stretch out. There's often a tearing of ligaments, a compression of discs, and then often the herniation that we see like down here. These are the type of injuries that years later result in radicular pain. That means pain that moves from the spine down an arm or down a leg. These are the type of injuries that result in that numbness or tingling that you then get, sometimes immediately after the crash, but again, sometimes not for months or years later. This is why excellent medical care is critical from the start. Each of these areas of the spine has to be examined, treatment has to be excellent, and your long-term recovery will be better. I'm Dr. Joseph Ramos. If I can help you understand your spinal injuries, please feel free to reach out. I love medicine, I love law, and I love helping people. At Ramos Law, what makes us different makes us better.